Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer. Welcome to the next level. Next level slayer.
Hello, and welcome to another episode of Next Level Slayer. I am your host, Crystal Lauren, and in today's episode, I am going to do a review on a mobile home investment program that I signed up for almost about 2 years ago. I think it was about 2 years ago I signed up for this program, and within a few months of starting my first deal, I made $1,000, okay, on my first deal. And that was through a partnership, okay? So I wanted to do a review on this program because this is a program that I learned from. And in case someone's out there looking to get into mobile home investing and you don't know what program to join, then I want to tell you about the one I joined and a partnership program that I am launching for those of you who are looking for partnerships. Okay, so let's get into it. Now, the name of the program is Mobile Home Elite Investors. And this program, when I took it, was $500. And that was a discounted price, okay? And there's like 7 modules in it. It's very detailed, gives you a lot of information. And before joining, I watched them do videos on YouTube, and I really studied and learned about the couple, Byron and Charnice Sellers. At the time, they were not married, but now they're married. And they've added Coach Nicole Briscoe, who's also wonderful as well. She's a part of their training team as well. And I started off in the Facebook group, and just, once I was in the Facebook group, it didn't take me long after being in the Facebook group to make the decision to go ahead and take advantage of their training. They had offered a discount at the time, and then I took the discount where I only had to pay $500 for the training course. Now looking at their site, they've added a lot more to it since I joined, and I'm going to go over this and, let you check it out, all right? Learn how to become a successful mobile home investor. They didn't have this 5-day course challenge, and what this entails is we challenge you to find your first mobile home investment property in 5 days. Learn the fundamentals of sourcing your first mobile home property. So basically, they're going to show you how to find your first mobile home property, ways that you can do that. And then that's what that looks like. That training is about $97. Again, this was not available when I signed up. I might have probably started here, but had it been available. But I went all in with the elite course. Now, it was not 2.0 when I took it. I don't remember it being 2.0. And again, I paid $500. So now they have a course at $19.97, and they are offering a 75% off discount, okay, which brings you to $500. All right. And then they have a mobile home investment group. Now, their Facebook group is not included in the course. It is a separate $27 a month fee. So if you want to just get your feet wet, you might want to join the Facebook group and then do the Facebook challenge. But if you're thinking that you really want to do this, then I wouldn't go for the challenge, because everything that you're going to learn in the challenge is going to be in the elite course. So to save yourself money, then I would recommend you get an elite course. But I can see how, if I didn't want to fork out $500 in the beginning, I would have been more comfortable with forking out 97, just to get an idea of what this process is. You see what I'm saying? So um, this is something um, similar to what I'm doing through the partnership. Through the partnership, you're going, prior to joining the partnership, what I would want to do is um, have like a strategy call, or a, a, a strategy session to see if this is something that you are interested in. And what it will do is go over touch on some things to see if this is something you want to get involved in. So, for instance, if you want to see, instead of paying $97, you don't, you would you wouldn't pay $97 for this, for the session. It would be $47, and you'll get some information on to see if this is something you would be interested in. And if you want to dig deeper, then if you want to get some um, really extra training videos, then I would recommend this course. Okay. Now, they also have a fast track program, and what their fast track program consists of is you working one on one with their head coach, Nicole Briscoe, and it looks like um, in person mobile home bus tours, access to the so you get access to the team, you get the Facebook group, you get exclusive content. So this is kind of like their all-in exclusive package. Live coaching calls you get for $3,997. Okay. This is something that I considered doing, but I did not, because for me, mobile home investing is more of a side hustle for me. It's nothing that I really wanted to go all in on. I just wanted it as an option, as an income stream for me. So whenever I feel like making some extra money, then all I have to do is do the work to put a deal together. Okay. Anytime I want to. Now, if I get some extra cash flow, I may want to do a deal where I do a buy and a flip. Or I'll do another do a partnership deal with someone, and we split the profits based on all the duties involved. Now, the partnership program that I am launching involves a list of all the duties that are involved with mobile home investing, and different people do the different duties, okay, to make a deal happen. And a contract is signed, and everybody is responsible for something. This is for some people that just don't have the time to do everything themselves, you know. Um, Also, uh, it is a chance for you to kind of pick and choose to do what you prefer doing. All right. Now, you will, whatever it is, say for instance, you haven't done the training, you haven't got any training, and you want to be a part of the partnership deal, then whatever part that you want to do during the partnership, that is something that I can train you on. I'm just not um, accessible to do a whole mobile home park training tour program, because that's not my main thing. Okay, it's just an income stream, as I said. So the deal that I did, that I made money off of, $1,000, was a partnership deal. Me and the partner did split duties of the deal, and then we split the profit. So how does that work? Well, you get a wholesale. It's like a wholesale deal, just like you do with homes. You have a seller that's looking to sell, and you find a buyer that's looking to buy. You get a contract with that seller to sell the home for a certain price, and then you find a buyer to buy it for more than that price. And in the contract that you have, that difference is your profit, it's your money. Okay, so that's how a deal works with wholesaling. There's other ways to earn in mobile investing. You find a home, um, you buy it from the seller, cash. You flip it, you do some work in it, and you sell it. So you find a mobile home, someone's selling for like $5,000, and you sell it, you do some work on it, and you sell it for $10,000. Okay, that's kind of another way you can do that. I'm sorry, losing my voice. I talk all day at work and I lose my voice in the evening. So that is another way. Or you can buy a mobile home, fix it up, and sell it to someone and do owner financing for someone that does not have cash to buy it from you. And you can charge interest on the payments they pay to you to buy that home through owner financing. That is another option. All right. So moving on, they offer mobile home park bus tours. So they take you on a bus tour to a mobile home park, and I guess you learn from them. Okay. They are in Chicago, so I'm pretty sure that's probably where they do this at, where their tours are. So, Mobile Home Park Tour, Chicago's next stop, September 9th and the 10th, Friday and Saturday. So they take you on a bus tour and they go over with you some things, how to inspect a home and foster relationship with handyman and buyers and sellers and all of those things. Um, you would learn from them during the bus tour. All right, so let's go back to the main page. And then they offer a financial aid program if you want to be a part of the fast track program, where you can get a grant to help you pay for that fast track. So they did not have the mobile home park bus tour or the financial aid program at the time when I bought the course, or the 5-day challenge. They didn't have that either. So they have a lot of content for you to watch and learn information on, but nothing beats investing into yourself. Okay. Nothing beats that. So if this is something you come to find out that you want to do, I definitely recommend you signing up for the course. But if you don't know, then we can do a strategy call. You can be a part of our partnership program and kind of go from there. And you can make the decision if this is something that you want to add to your income stream. Okay. Now, upcoming events. Let's see what they have going on. Okay, they got a coming up tomorrow, Wednesday webinar. So if you want to check out their webinar on Wednesday, they have one tomorrow. So I would come to their site and check that out. I'll have the link to the website in the description. How Nicole made $181,000 in 6 months in mobile home investing. Nicole Briscoe, that is one of their coaches. She does very well in this program. In the Facebook group, I saw her success story, and then they have the Chicago Mobile Home Investing Bus Tour. So yeah, so I wanted to do, like I said, I'll do a review on this program for those of you that has been looking to see what program you should get into and wanted to know um, about this one, Mobile Home Elite Investors. They have an awesome program training, and like I said, I learned a lot from them, and I wanted to give my review on it. So that is it. That is all, guys. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content from Next Level Slayer, make sure you subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out. And until next time, see you on the next level. Will you be there? I hope so. Bye-bye.